Here we have a 2015 Ford Galaxy. It's fitted with the 2-litre diesel engine and it's got roughly 74,000 miles on the clock. If you're getting a message on the dashboard about changing the engine oil soon and you've just serviced the vehicle, I'm going to run you through the procedure on how to reset it. Right, we'll start with the ignition off. So I'm going to switch it on. Just one press of the button. Just let it run through its cycle for a few seconds. So now I'm going to clear those warnings down just by pressing this OK button. Just let it do its thing. OK, OK. All the warnings are gone. You need to start by pressing the left arrow button. Scroll down to settings, press OK. Its vehicle is already highlighted, but you can scroll up and down. Press OK. Scroll down. Oil life. Press OK. And then simply press OK. Hold it down. Resets. Reset successful. And now if we go back out of the menu using the left arrow, switch the ignition off, back on. Hopefully you'll see that that warning has now been cleared. And that's it. Reset again for another year. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It will help our channel out no end. Cheers.